Welcome to the channel, whether you're a returning viewer or a new one. In today's video, we'll be discussing World Environmental Health Day. Let's dive in. Kindly be informed that this video serves solely for educational purposes. World Environmental Health Day holds significance as a day dedicated to emphasizing the importance of environmental health, including the environmental health workforce.
What's up is down, what's left is right.
World Environmental Health Day is observed annually on September 26. Environmental health focuses on vital aspects of the natural environment, such as sanitation and access to clean water. Encouraging individuals to take responsibility for the consequences of their actions is also a key aspect of environmental health. According to the WHO, global environmental challenges lead to approximately 12.6 million deaths each year. Research indicates that over 100 illnesses and injuries are directly linked to environmental health. If you're finding value in this video, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Common environmental health concerns include land pollution, air pollution, water contamination, and exposure to chemicals. To learn more and get involved, visit the International Federation of Environmental Health's website for information on how to participate. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share this video, and leave a comment. See you next time.